Hi, Abby. My name is Elizabeth, Elizabeth Russell, and I'm going to be working with you for these next couple of months um, on a couple different writing pieces. And it was so good to read through your survey. Um, I could not believe you said you've already entered some of your pieces into a writing contest. Like, that's amazing. Um, and that's just such an incredible accomplishment. So, congratulations on that. That is such a cool step that you took. Um, I was wondering because I've never submitted any of my writing before. Was that kind of scary for you, or were you just like exhilarated, so excited to turn it in? So let me know. Um, just so you know, on here I made some comments. You can go into this little box that says reply or add other. So if you just click in there, you can type it was scary or whatever, however you wanted to respond. And then you would just click reply. Just make sure you click reply so that it does show up. I'm going to hit cancel now because I don't want to add that in there. But that's such an awesome accomplishment, so congratulations on that. I also love reading fiction. Um, it took me a while to kind of get into some nonfiction pieces that I did enjoy. And now I kind of know what style of nonfiction I like to read. But I definitely also love reading fiction, and that's so cool that you love to write poems. That's pretty atypical, and so that's so awesome. Um, it is also so cool that you are organized. Um, I wrote over here that's going to help you so much for your entire life, for everything that you do. Um, but also, especially for school, it's so helpful to stay organized. And so that's great that you've already kind of learned some of those skills, and that's how you would describe yourself. Um, I have not actually heard of Lauren Walk before, um, but I did look her up, and I was able to get like put in place for a hold for one of her books. I think it was Wolf Hollow, but I'm not sure. Um, because it's very clear that you really like her writing. And I kind of wanted to read it and see what it was about. Um, so I should hopefully be getting that soon from the library. Um, okay, so it's so cool that you like root beer. My sister loves root beer so much, and chocolate's always amazing. Um, I see that you wrote that you think you could improve on your vocabulary usage a little bit, and so um, that's something actually that I love working on for my own self, and even through my time in school, and then now as a teacher, that I love helping people with. It's so fun to kind of take your idea and really make sure that the words are really fitting your idea, and that you can kind of use some descriptive language to really give your reader the best experience. And so I definitely have some things in mind for that, that I want to work with you towards kind of helping you with that over these next couple of months. And then you wrote if we want to Zoom or do like a live session ever, Mondays and Tuesdays in the morning. I do have my planning period in the morning, or we could meet after my school day, so depending on what time you mean by early afternoon, we'll definitely look at some of those things. But I do have a planning period Monday and Tuesday for my second block of the day, which is 8:40 to 9:20. So if somewhere in there we wanted to meet for a couple minutes and just do like a live session, that would be super cool. And I do have that time on Mondays and Tuesdays for a little bit. So it was so nice to read your survey, kind of meet you, and hopefully we get to talk in a live session soon. Just so you know, if you ever want to comment on anything, if I don't already have a comment here, you can just highlight whatever you want to maybe talk about, kind of like I highlighted some sections here. And then once you do that, a little box appears and it says add a comment. You just click that and you can type right to me in there. Then just make sure that you click post comment. Once you start typing, it will highlight blue. If you ever have any questions, you can comment on here or comment on the classroom, however you want to do that. But always let me know if you have any questions. It was so good to meet you, and I hope you have a great day. Bye.